Hello students, so now I will be making another mocktail for you, and the name of the mocktail is Verging Mojito. So mojito is actually a alcoholic beverage in which we use white rum, but when we reduce alcohol from it, when we do the mocktail version, we use certain ingredients. What we require is some mint leaves. We will be using some fresh mint leaves, some lemon chunks, and we will be using some brown sugar or demerara sugar and some aerated beverage. Here I am using Sprite. So let's start, and I will show you how to make this wonderful beverage called Verging Mojito. So to tell you something more about mojitos are very famous, and these are like best selling mocktails and cocktails. Whenever you go to the beaches, whenever you go to the pool sides, these all are full of ice, full of flavors. Mint and lemon gives it a refreshing punch. So these mocktails are used in very wide varieties, and these are all-time favorites of all. So this is a very interesting mocktail that we are making. First, what we need to take a glass. A tall glass is a good glass for it, because we will be using some aerated beverage. For this we need a lot of mint leaves, fresh mint leaves, and you need to just activate this mint leaves so that the mint leaves will release all the flavors, right? We have added mint leaves. Now what we will be doing, we will be using lemon chunks, small chunks. I think we will require 6 to 8 lemon chunks at least. I have added good amount of lemon chunks here. Now what next? I will require a sachet of the demerara sugar or brown sugar. If you don't have this brown sugar at home, there is no problem at all. You can use the regular granular sugar that you have at your home. So till now what all we have added, we have activated mint leaves, some lemon chunks, and some brown sugar. Now the second step is muddling. We will be using a muddler. This is a bar tool, and we will be telling you about bar tools in the coming semesters and classes, right? So first of all, we have to muddle this so that we can extract all the juices, all the flavors from mint, from lemon in the glass. You need to be very careful. You don't have to muddle it over, because if you muddle the lemons a bit more, what will happen? The lemons will impart a bitter flavor. So we have to muddle it, but we have to be very gentle also. Now the muddling is done. The next step is we have to add some ice cubes. As I told you, this is a refreshing beverage, a summer beverage. So we need a lot of ice. You can use ice cubes, you can use crushed ice. This is it. I have added ice also. Now what we can do, what I will do, I will insert one lemon slice in between, right? And finally we need to have some lemon juice, some freshly squeezed lemon juice. So I am just cutting one lemon into half, and with the help of a lemon squeezer or lime squeezer, I will just squeeze some lemon juice in it. Fresh lemon juice is required. Now everything is there in the glass. What next we need to do is we need to top it up with Sprite. You can even use decarbonated water, or we call it the drinking soda, if you want. Right, you can see. You can just stir it well before serving it to the guest. Place one straw, use some mint sprig for garnish, and you can use a lemon slice as a garnish too. Just add a lemon slice here, and your mint and lemon mojito is ready to serve. Thank you. Hello students, now I will be making another interesting mocktail for you, and the name of the mocktail is Shirley Temple. So there is a small history behind the mocktail, and when we talk about beverages and mocktails and cocktails, there is always a piece of history behind every drink, right? So whenever you are surfing net, whenever you are learning about the mocktails and beverages, do search the history of that particular mocktail, right, or cocktail. So when we talk about Shirley's Temple, this was first invented in Hollywood, and in 1930s there was a young actress. Her name was Shirley Temple, and the bartender was a little surprised when he saw a little girl among the crew members, among the other there was so many actors and actresses were there, and along with them there was a young girl was there. So for that girl, the bartender invented this beverage, and it was termed as Shirley Temple on the name of that child actress, right? So we'll be making this amazing mocktail, and this is very simple also, right? So for this I am using a champagne fluid glass. What we will do, I will add some ice cubes in the glass. This is a very simple mocktail. Even if you all want to make these drinks at your home, you can do it very easily, right? So I have added a good number of ice cubes in the glass. Next, what we need is a slice of orange. What I will do, I will insert a slice of orange here in the glass like this. It will increase the appearance of the beverage. And now what I need is some ginger ale. Now you will ask, what is ginger ale? So ginger ale is a aerated beverage, but it is flavored with ginger. That's why we call it a ginger ale. So in the base what we will do, we will add some ginger ale, right? Again, on ginger ale I have some orange juice. I will add some orange juice here, right? And we will top it up with some grenadine syrup. So this is a syrup, and it is made up of pomegranate. So I am adding a dash of grenadine syrup, almost 15 ml. Right. Here is some grenadine syrup on the top. You can see how good this mocktail looks. We are all set. What I will do, I will just garnish it with some mint sprig on the top. You can even garnish it with some cherry if you have a cherry with you, right? So your mocktail Shirley Temple is ready. You can insert a stirrer along so that the guest can stir itself, and you can add a small straw along with it, and you can serve it straight to the guest. Thank you.